For today, English 2 on Wednesday, January 6th. You should go to your dashboard and click on English 2 Semester 2. If you don't see it under your dashboard, look under Courses. Under Courses, again, look for English 2 Semester 2. Go to Wednesday. Again, first read for 10 minutes. You must have a book to read. These are your 3 assignments after you read for 10 minutes. You have a quick write, take a look at this infographic. There's a lot of information here. Look at it carefully. Take a couple of minutes looking at all of the images. If there's a question that you want to ask, send it to me. Send me a message, send me a text. Once you're done looking at the infographic, you're going to type 6 to 8 sentences on one or more of these topics. You can choose either the first, second, or third, or all 3. After that, click Next. Here, you're going to complete a book quiz. Again, these are the questions for this unit. Again, keep these questions in mind as you answer the genre or book quiz. Okay, you're going to click here on slide 4. Something like this. And then you answer these questions to find out what is your preferred book, for example. And from there, it'll show you your recommendation for your type of book. So it'll have options, but the one that's the highest percentage, that's the type of book that maybe you enjoy the most. Okay. After this genre or book quiz, you're going to click Next, and this is the last assignment. You're going to watch this video, Who Am I? And after watching the video, you're going to answer just one of these questions. And you're going to post your answer to one of these here. So you would click Reply, and then post your answer. And the last thing, you're supposed to respond to 2 other people in 2 to 4 sentences. So after you post, look for other people to post their answers and you just respond to them. And then that's it. Again, if you have questions, send me a text here, send me an email or Canvas message. Have a good day.